All right, now that you are able to look at and find the greatest common factor of a set of monomial terms, we can try and factor this polynomial expression here using its greatest common factor. This polynomial has a couple different variables and it has three different terms. If we look at what each of those terms have in common, as in, what's the greatest thing you can divide each of these terms by? Right? What single term is its greatest common factor? Well, you got 7. If we look at the numbers first, 7, 28, and 14. Highest number you can divide all those by is 7. So we're going to put the 7 here. That's part of its greatest common factor. This has a squared. It's got two factors of a. This has a. This has a. They all have in common an a. You can divide them all by a. You can't divide them all by a squared because these ones only have a. So a is the highest thing, right? This is like a to the 1. If you look at the b's, one of them has b squared, but two of them only have a b. So 7a and a b. That's its greatest common factor. If you're looking at what is left over, as in what would you have to multiply this by? If we're going to break it down, we're going to break it down into a single term times a polynomial here. And the polynomial that has to be is what needs to be in those brackets that if you multiplied it out, you would get this. So think about it here. 7ab, let's do one thing at a time here. 7ab times what gives you this? Let's highlight it so we know what we're doing. If I want to do that, what term needs to be here? Well, I've already got the 7 here, and I've already got a b, but I need a squared, and I only have a. So this has got to be an a here. Now, if we're looking at the second term is 28ab. I have 7ab, so I need this to be minus 4, and that's it, because I already have the ab. I already have the ab, don't need any more variables here. And then the third one has to be, what I got here, 14ab squared. I got 7ab, so what I need is I need a plus 2. I already have my a, but I need a b there. You can double check this by multiplying it out. 7ab times a is 7a squared b. 7ab times minus 4 is minus 28ab. And 7ab times plus 2b is plus 14ab squared. And that's what I started with. So this is my factored form right here. That's the factored form. That is factoring out the greatest common factor of that three-term polynomial there. All right? That is it. You should try these three here and check to see that you're right. You can always check to see you're right by multiplying it out again like I did here and see if I got the original thing back again. You're factoring things as the greatest common factor times a polynomial where those two things multiply to give you what you started with. It's like a factor tree when you did factor trees of numbers, right? 3 can be broken down into, getting ahead of myself here. 15 can be broken down into 3 times 5. Well, this can be broken down into this times this, right? It has two factors. One, well, it actually has more than two if you count each one of these individually, but it's got this altogether as its greatest common factor, and that's what you need to multiply that greatest common factor by to get what it is. All right? That's it. Now this is actually it. I know I said that's it a while ago, but that's it. You try these, see if you're right.